This isn't just another mechanical keyboard. It's practically a desktop art piece with a secret weapon that's going to change how you interact with your setup. We're talking about the Womier SK80, and trust me, it's more than just a pretty face. Right off the bat, what grabs your attention is that vibrant color multimedia display screen tucked away in the upper right corner. It's not just a gimmick. This little gem lets you visualize everything from custom GIF images. Yes, you can put your own GIFs on it. To your caps lock status, connection mode, whether you're on Mac or Windows, system info, and even control your RGB brightness, speed, mode, and volume. The fact that it's angled at an 11-degree oblique angle is a thoughtful touch, making it super easy to glance at without craning your neck. It genuinely feels like a mini command center right on your keyboard. Then there's the aesthetic. The Womier SK80 boasts a unique topographic theme, with transparent lines on the keycaps that truly make the 16.8 million RGB lights pop. Whether the lights are on or off, the design stands out, and when those 19 lighting effects in 9 colors are flowing, it's a visual spectacle. The theme even extends to the keyboard's body, creating a cohesive and striking look. But a keyboard isn't just about looks, right? The typing experience here is incredibly satisfying. This is a gasket-mounted mechanical keyboard, which means you get that lovely soft, responsive feel with every keystroke. Womier has included an EVA positioning plate and bottom filling, which really helps reduce typing noise and gives it a premium, cushioned feel. It's just a joy to type on, whether you're gaming intensely or just hammering out emails. Underneath those beautifully designed cherry profile keycaps, you'll find pre-lubed linear palm switches. These aren't just any switches. They're designed with south-facing transparent light diffusers, providing a comfortable keystroke and honestly, an amazing, clean, creamy typing sound right out of the box. And for those who love to tinker, the hot swappable PCB is compatible with both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, giving you endless customization possibilities. Womier also provides pro software, allowing you to fully customize the RGB backlight modes, set up macros, and of course, manage those GIF image displays. It's fantastic for users who want to truly make their keyboard their own. Plus, it's compatible with both Mac and Windows systems, and the detachable Type-C connection adds to its versatility, making it perfect for any setup. Overall, the Womier SK80 isn't just a keyboard, it's an experience. It combines stunning visuals, a genuinely useful multimedia screen, and a top-tier typing feel into one impressive package. If you're looking for a keyboard that stands out from the crowd and delivers on performance, this one is definitely worth checking out.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.